When we talk about play, it's so important, so important. You learn all your executive functioning skills through play. You learn problem solving, you learn boundaries, you learn perseverance, resiliency, decision making. I can go on and on and on about play. Unfortunately, what's happened in school is we've often taken play out to get more of academics in. So I'm just going to tell you right now, I'm going to step on the third rail and say that some of the behaviors that we get, we kind of asked for it, all right, systematically. And that's not your fault. But you be aware of that and know that whenever possible, where can we get some more play in for these kids?